Welcome my friends to art and craft again. Okay, so today we are going to work on this template trying to make a meal from a Play-Doh or a piece of paper, as you can see here. Okay, for our meal here we can make a spaghetti or noodles. Okay, so here I have a wool string. You can just cut some piece of it. Our spaghetti. We can decorate it with the pepperoni that we just made. Okay, like that. Some tomato. For the tomato, I can make so I cut it into two. So this is our tomato. Some leaves for garnishing. You can also add some olive, that's if you want, but you can just keep it plain like this. Okay, so this is simple way of making spaghetti. This can be also a plate of salad, vegetable salad. We are having here some tomato that you can make from piece of paper. You can also make from a Play-Doh. This can be used as tomato. Okay, now let's start by having a green first. Then we have our tomato. Some paprika. Now your salad plate is ready. Looks so healthy.